Policy Direction City. Cultural, historical, arts, tourism, spiritual upliftment. Tanaw mo din, di ba? Isa may member sa OECD. Isa lang. Wala. Isa may member sa, hindi ka member sa OECD. Katulog ka. Ikalawa, isa member sa BLT. Dili, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Bukas loob sa Diyos. Isa mo. Rama. Pag-liyo. Isa may BCLPD na. Akusad. Breakfast ka. In other words, we must not forget his spiritual upliftment. I will repeat. We should not forget. Nothing is impossible with God. We need Him in this journey. Tourism will taken care of. Councilor Vizquera. Arts, likewise. Historical, that's your job as mayor with Joel Carcanela and the committee, including London Ontiveros. Please do not forget to designate a space for prayer. London, a place for an interfaith where they can converge and pray. It's an open place for those who would like to pray. Infrastructure and technology advancement. Isa may ID din Rama. Ako, malundigo na nagtulong ko. Yung the mayor at Mayor Garcia, with you and the mayor, I had to be at SM and ate my lunch in advance because I do not want to be left behind. I studied how to manage a computer. Di ko kalimutan ng mga DOS, di ko makalimutan ng mga LAN, di ko makalimutan ng Microsoft, di ko makalimutan ng spreadsheet, di ko makalimutan ng Amlis ng akong laptop. And my age, never mind. Infrastructure technology is very important. Build a government-initiated power plant. Jerry, we will have our own power plant. Number 2, we will have our own desalination plant at SRP. We must initiate that. Oh, okay. That is an order. Bridges. Prepare for Sinulog 2023. SRP Sinulog. We will be working very hard, making elbow to elbow with people in the national government, especially the Secretary of Public Works and Highways, that we should facilitate, expedite the building of 8 bridges. 8 bridges. One from Ermita connecting to SRP. 3 bridges from Dolmo to SRP. Are you doubting? Are you the doubting Thomases? 2 from Mambari. What from the room? 1 from Luzon Park. Then another one from Inayawan. Plus 1 in this state, and 1 entering from San Roque, and 1 entering from Inayawan, from Talisay. That ought to be the number of access to SRT. B, in Sinulog 2023, we will have 23. We will be back. God will grant us that wish. Joy, prepare for that. Who is the chairman of tourism? Who is the chairman of culture? Culture. Sakma na siya. Committee. On developers. I think that's your committee. You must get involved. Realize, keeping power. We must initiate that in 3 days' time, we should have some substantial result. Aron dito na magsigiltan awan ng spaghetti. Today, I was coming from where I am residing, and I have seen Honorable Delegate, well, there are spaghettis up there in the Rama for have it all cut. Can you? And the more you help him to have that executed and implemented. God should be spaghetti in the city of Cebu. Welcome, Kidney down the ground. Drainage problem, always a problem. Why? Because there is no meeting of the minds. What agency will do, a barangay will have, the city will have, and there will be disconnecting. Water sits its own level. That's how simple drainage ought to be. Why we are still into flooding? Yesterday, somebody texted me. Yo, there's a simple solution. And this is Mr. Jonathan Tumula, and taga-Paspardo. Giving a solution. Simple, practical. I'm not going to tell you now. It's a secret. We should pursue the cabling with JD, Joint Commission. Meantime, utilities. Where are the utilities here? Now I'm talking about the private sector. Utilities. Get rid of all the so-called spaghetti out. For me, it is garbage and no shading before the end of 2020. Every month, report every month on the program of 5G rollout to ensure the backbone of smart city. Meantime, require telcos, and sell it to BBM, our president. In addition, and there was the new secretary of the ICT. Our very bad experience when we were hit by Odette. It took how many months? And even until now, we have a very bad connection. Am I correct? They must really be serious about it. And I will never stop as your mayor connecting to the new secretary of DICT that we must mean what we say. Ship up, if not ship up. Mula ako ng mga kauban ng mga pak. Tugang sila. I really think I need it. And I really need it. And I am addressing to the utilities, the telcos. I can call Smart, I can call Globe, I can call all of them and ask them, please do your job. Up or ship up. Traffic management mass transit. I do not want to believe it. It's already around the intermodal integrated transport system is there. Toro. Nana. LRT, Mugjong, MRT, BRT, sa Pilay. You know, when my partner, Mayor Tabella, was alive, and there was a president, and he said, you need an LRT, you need an MRT. And I said to him, that was a new mayor then. Right away, he died already. No. What is incumbent in the city of Cebu is a transport system that should not destroy the aesthetic, heritage, historical value of what we have in the city. They know the urban planners, Joy Unosawa and the rest, will never agree. Desecrating a very valuable city, a heritage city, and Mayor Alvin Garcia will state the protest, and I will join with you if that will be put up and it destroys the views and deprive liberty, life, and property. So, ladies and gentlemen, we must have all of this, but not to distort our right of life and beauty. Youth and children and sport development. Kita mo tuloy yung cable cars, no? Wala. Okay. Bring about way we are preparing for a city highland. Cebu City Highland. And we have already a congressman in Rama. We love him with QT, and we love him with other congressmen, and we must have 5 districts in Cebu City. Additional 3. Ang maganda mo, 15 mananong. Youth, children, and sport development. Again, this is your sector. I'm not young anymore. Only Julian will forever become young. Julian will never be old. Kita lang ako. Build youth center. Grace, this is what I've been telling you years ago. Don't go. Our legacy to the youth. All is reminded of the song, the greatest love of all. I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. How can we lead our children if they are mixed with orientation that they should start to be immaculate, emancipated from the garble of what is in their midst now? Rest. So build in every barangay a youth center where the youth can progress. And they know the language, they know what they wish. Do not calculate with our present. We need them. We read them. We must take care of them, for they are the precious foundation in the years to come for this country. Rest. You have that responsibility. Conclusion. Manayod. At the end of the reminded me of our president. People, when he's talking and somebody is watching the watch, he will put the attention. And he will die, no, This is the policy direction of Baru, Cebu City. Please, I like that statement. There will be no more Kusu. There will no more Baru, only before election. But when election will come, all political parties will be surrendered. Yes or no? Yes. But what is the challenge today? I need everybody's support. It's not I, it's we. it is us. And I remember Mayor Alvin Garcia, while Mayor Ricardo Labella was alive, and we were at the crossroad in a political discussion, and you made a statement before you left the ballroom, and that was in right was Crimson. Dito. Big one, big one. In your big road to them, splendid vista from Mayor Alvin Garcia. He said, walking with the only one, and has always been the only one, the mama of big one. Siya, hoy, ano mo si Davis niya? O sanay inyong minumduman, US, yung mga ng US, inumdum mo, unity, sacrifice. And that I will never forget. 2075 when you plant this, that I would know whether you are all here. If not, I will terminate or not renew your appointment. Please all stand. Kamu ba? Puro man yung kauban ng usutan sila at magana doon sila. Okay. Barangay, sabi ka na manggit, barangay, as gawas, purwa. Sige lang, hindi naman sila sa akin. Tingnan nyo. SK, I'm referring to the Sanggunian. Multi-sectoral. Simple walks. All of you, I plead, help us. Be a part of it. Be a part of us. We do it for the support of the line agencies, the line cities, the government. I was talking to the governor today, and I told her, but is the resurrection of the issue of Cebu. I said to her, do not worry. I will stand on one Cebu City, one Cebu Island. We are determined to become Singapore-like. Are you with me? As my mentor, Tomas Usmeni has never been my enemy. He's only my political opponent. Mind you, no time for rancor, no time for bitterness, no time for retribution, no time for vengeance, but time for unity, time for sacrifice. And we must make and join Cebu City, second to none, greater than ever. And let us do this. Singapore, like Cebu City, together. For only in being together, we make great things happen for Cebu City. In God we trust. Mahal na galing, God bless you all. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang Cebu! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Mabuhay ang Pilas ng Cebu! Thank you.